Hello YouTubers and Airsofters. Apocalyptic Survivor here with an Airsoft review. This one is going to be on the classic Chicago Typewriter Thompson submachine gun. I'm going to go ahead and grab it right now for you. There you go. As you can see, it looks almost exactly like the ones in the classic mobster movies, component flicks and all that. As you see, it does have the sweet pistol grip, which is good. It's very sturdy, however, it will wiggle only in the slightest over time and use. However, there is an easy remedy for this situation. Whenever it starts to get loose, very simple, just there are two screws here, a screw here, and a screw in the back, which you can easily access by removing the drum mag. Used to our Phillips and flatheads. If you just tighten all those up, it will tighten and there will be no wiggle to it whatsoever, and you'll be off and ready to fire again. So besides that, getting into the gun, it is very nice. All metal construction except for the wood. It's simulated wood over here on the pistol grip, the stock, and the other handle. Holds about 500 rounds, I believe, with an FPS at 360, 370, somewhere around there. It does have great range and adjustable hop up. Right here on the side, you'll be able to go ahead and tell. You just roll it up, roll it down, wherever you want it to be, that's where it is. And if you notice I'm wearing gloves, it's because this gun is very heavy and it will hurt a little bit when you're not used to it, so I would recommend really getting the feel of this gun and the way that you should hold it, because it is a bit odd. Your arm does stick out a little bit, but it is very comfortable. Now, if you're a fan of Thompsons, this one is going to be easy to fire. I mean, Thompson is my signature weapon, any kind of Thompson. I can actually fire it from here now. Don't even have to aim. Once you get used to it, you'll be able to do the same thing. It is a very accurate weapon. Now, getting into the more non-pistol, replica features is that the sight is different. The sight is one of the classic Thompson submachine gun, not of the Chicago Typewriter, which I think is a pretty big difference. Thus, the chamber is different. Normally it would be on the top attached to the sight, which I found to be a pretty odd design myself, but I really liked it. And another thing about the gloves is that it does make the gun more comfortable. You feel like you have a lot more control and mobility with these gloves. It gives you a much larger handle. So that's another thing. You do have to turn the magazine like this to keep it going, but I really like it because instead of having to roll it, like in all the more modern airsoft guns, you can just keep on rolling it and shooting. So as you can see right back here, we've got a target. I'm going to go stand on the other side of my yard, and we are going to shoot at it. We're going to see what this gun can do. I hope you can tell I'm getting very far away. Ow. This is in order to properly test the gun's distance. Ow. And power. So here we go. Full auto. Hold on it. Woo! That was intense, huh? Let me go pick that up. Set my weapon down. Okay. Now, that was not at full battery power. It does get a lot stronger than that. If you can tell, they were bouncing around a little bit. But, yeah, normally the front half would be gone. Those were with 0.2 gram BBs. I recommend using 0.25. Gives you a lot more weight and accuracy when firing. Plus, if you don't know, there is a wind tunnel that comes through here on the side of my house. So that is a bit of an issue when firing it, because they go straight and then they kind of spread out a little bit. But again, 0.25 gram BBs, you can't go wrong. Like I said, it's usually more powerful than this, which is why I gave my Tommy gun the nickname the Eviscerator. So, you know, whatever. So, this has been another Airsoft review. And as always, I am Apocalyptic Survivor, and I'm out.